My heart is ready, and what am I gonna do? My heart is ready, and what am I gonna do? My heart is ready, and what am I gonna do? Oh yeah, my heart is ready, and what am I gonna do?
The community at Leeds School is warm and inclusive and encompassing all, and that's really important for me and my family.
The community at Leeds School is very open and welcoming. Everybody there treats my daughter as if she was part of their family too. And so I know that when she's there, she's safe and she's happy, and she always comes home with a smile on her face.
The community at Leeds School is energetic, fun, really feels like a community.
Seeing my children in the same space as other children with different levels of needs really fills me with a sense of honest to goodness community.
We love the Leeds School community because the motto of Leeds School is all the kids, all the time. And I love that because I want my children to attend a school that walks the walk of inclusivity. A place where there's no lottery, no admissions interview, no tuition. I want my children to know there are still places in this world that are open to everyone.
Council, through the PTO, they have community meetings. There are so many opportunities to come to the school and to interact with the kids and with the teachers. After school programs, the LEAP program has all kinds of offerings. They can play sports and learn art and music and all kinds of things after school. It's really been a hub for our lives ever since Lucy first started there.
It looks like a larger school, but it really does not feel like a large school at all.
I want my children to learn in a classroom alongside kids who learn differently from them, who might seem different from them, and to see that we all have unique gifts to share.
The community at Leeds School is really, really nice.
I want them to be part of a community that promises all the kids, all the time. 1, 2, 3.
We love Leeds!
We love Leeds!
We love Leeds! My heart is ready, and what am I gonna do? Oh yeah, my heart is ready, and what am I gonna do? My feet are ready, and what am I gonna do?